Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to look what all projects we are going to create in Houdini FX. So Houdini FX is basically used for FX related projects, means particles related projects. For FX we can create projects like explosion, smoke, fire explosion and water simulation related projects. The best version to use is 18.5. Currently I have installed is 19.5, but you can work on 18.5 and let's see what all you can create in Houdini.